Hey guys, you ever wonder what it's like to see the country in a Class A motorhome, but glanced at the payments and said, whoa, hang on. Hey, it's Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors here. I want to take you on a virtual tour of a line of surprisingly affordable Class A motorhomes, the trio of Thor Freedom Travelers. All three Freedom Traveler floor plans have a 6.8-liter Triton V10 engine, Ford F53 chassis, plus a trailer hitch rating of 8,000 pounds, so you can easily tow a car. In length, they range from just over 28 feet to a few inches over 33 feet. So what do you say we get into the floor plans? Each of the three floor plans bring their own sense of style and functionality. The easiest way to go through them is probably by size, so let's tackle them by length, shall we? First up is going to be the Freedom Traveler A27. The A27 comes with two slides. The first, a living room slide, pulling out the Dream dinette and jackknife sofa to expand the main living space. The second slide, a bedroom slide, is located on the campsite. This slide opens up the bedroom to make it ultra functional. A pocket door also makes the bedroom extremely private. With the Freedom Traveler standard drop-down bunk, the A27 is capable of sleeping up to 6 campers. Working our way up in length, we find the Freedom Traveler number 2, the A30. The A30 is a front living floor plan with a single slide, but the slide is a wall slide, pulling out the entire driver's side of the A30 from just past the cab all the way to the rear of the A30. The bedroom is spacious and also comes with a pocket door for privacy. The A30 is capable of sleeping 6 campers as well. The final Freedom Traveler floor plan is the A32, and it's brand new. Unique, it's the only Freedom Traveler with bunks and a king-size bed. Like the A30, the A32 has a single wall slide on the driver's side. Its layout is similar to that of the A30, only the A32 has twin bunks embedded in the wall slide. The bathroom is in the same position, but has a pocket door to accommodate the space needed for moving about the bunks. The bunks have their own TVs, a pair of 15.5-inch TVs complete with a DVD player. What kid wouldn't love that? Naturally, the A32's master bedroom has a pocket door for privacy. Adding up the sleeping capability, the A32 can accommodate 8 of your family or camping friends. Not only are they affordable, the Freedom Traveler floor plans have a lot going for them to make your adventures comfortable. Inside, you're going to find a roomy living space with an 84-inch ceiling height, plus seating comfort with the leatherette sofa bed and Dream dinette booth. The kitchen is equipped with a double-door fridge, 3-burner gas cooktop, and pressed laminate countertops. A highlight in the kitchen is the stainless steel sink and single-handle faucet with pull-down sprayer. With the Freedom Traveler, you will not lack for entertainment. TVs abound and are cable ready. Each floor plan has a 40-inch LED TV in the living area, 32-inch LED TV in the bedroom, plus a 32-inch TV on the exterior, complete with swivel bracket, soundbar, and radio. So, whether you're an experienced RVer or new to the adventure, are a camping couple, or have a large camping family, check out the trio of Freedom Travelers. We are certain that you'll find one to complement your planned adventures and be happy with everything stem to stern.